In the 1990s, 4Life founders David and Bianca Lisenby made a decision to bring the product 4Life Transfer Factor to the world.
As 4Life has grown, so has our opportunity to reach out and touch the lives of others. Today, 4Life products enhance the health of individuals and families in more than 50 countries. Now we'd like to show you how we make 4Life Transfer Factor so we can take it to the world.
4Life Transfer Factor products support your wellness. The ingredients come from cows and chicken eggs. Just like all mammals share crucial wellness information with their young in early feedings, 4Life Transfer Factor products provide you with the same quality and essential support for your wellness.
4Life partners with dairy farms all over the United States. The majority of these dairy farms are family-owned businesses that have been handed down from generation to generation.
4Life only uses Grade A certified dairies. All dairy farmers associated with 4Life are in compliance with the Pasteurized Milk Ordinance guidelines by the Food and Drug Administration of the United States, which addresses sanitation, husbandry, and other quality controls. Dr. Richard Bennett, a member of the 4Life Health Sciences Advisory Board, regularly visits the dairy farms.
The cows on 4Life's partner dairy farms live in a low-stress environment that includes a regular milking schedule, computer-monitored nourishment, and food that's tested for quality and quantity. Creating a low-stress environment leads to greater production and higher quality. The cows have not been treated with any growth hormones.
After a mother cow gives birth, the baby receives the critical first feeding. The cows are milked at the dairy, and the milk is collected into a sanitized container. The milk is quickly frozen for storage and then sent for processing. Freezing the ingredients ensures freshness. The containers are then transported in refrigerated trucks to the processing facility. All containers are sanitized before and after the process to ensure safety and preserve product integrity. Each container is marked with a lot code that can be traced back to each farm. From the freezer, the contents of each container are transferred to a stainless steel tank, where it's thawed, mixed, and tested again for quality. When the ingredients reach a proprietary temperature, the batch is filtered to remove any impurities. Now it's ready to be flash pasteurized in a closed system to help prevent any contamination from external sources.
Each lot of 4Life Transfer Factor is tested throughout the process to ensure that the quality meets our stringent requirements.
Our partner facilities adhere to high standards for cleanliness and sanitation. All employees are trained to follow rigorous quality controls.
4Life follows current Good Manufacturing Practices, or CGMPs, which are enforced by the Food and Drug Administration. Our partner facilities are independently certified and highly credentialed, so that we can bring you the highest quality product available.
Good manufacturing practices provide a set of principles that must be strictly observed during the manufacturing process. 4Life's compliance with these federally mandated guidelines means that we continually validate our process to ensure a high-quality product for you.
Next, the ingredients are filtered using a proprietary process that is completely unique to 4Life. This step produces 4Life Transfer Factor's primary ingredient. The next step is to remove the liquid from the batch using a low-heat, low-pressure indirect steam drying process. This process preserves maximum bioactivity. The filtration and removal of liquid condenses the ingredient to result in 4Life Transfer Factor's primary component in the Trifactor formula. The Trifactor formula also contains an ingredient from chicken eggs. Now, let's take a look at 4Life's egg process. The poultry industry operates under the regulations and standards of the United States Department of Agriculture. Hormones are not fed to poultry in the United States, and federal law requires that all egg products be pasteurized. Eggs are carefully cleaned and sanitized, with quality control checks being made throughout the process. High-speed machines automatically break and separate shells, yolks, and whites. Eggs are pasteurized, mixed, and refrigerated. This prepares the eggs for inclusion in 4Life products.
As you've seen throughout this video, we test for quality in every step of the process. We ensure that each batch of product meets the highest quality standards. Our testing guarantees the potency and purity of our products. This protects both your health and your business.
Once the ingredients have gone through the filtering and drying process, they are ready to be shipped to 4Life's manufacturing facility.
The formula for every batch of 4Life transfer factor is controlled through a master manufacturing record. The master manufacturing record is like a recipe that allows us to make a consistent and high-quality product in every batch and assures you that the product you sell will always meet the same precise standards your customers deserve.
4Life stands behind every product we sell, certifying the identity, purity, strength, and composition of every 4Life transfer factor product. The manufacturing process begins with receipt of each raw material. Each ingredient is tested and then weighed and measured according to the product formula. After all ingredients are verified, they are mixed according to procedure for a specific amount of time and speed to ensure product uniformity. 4Life's research and development team then tests the ingredient blend to make sure the product will encapsulate properly. 4Life is one of few companies to have invested in the equipment to take this extra step in the quality process. The 4Life transfer factor powder is released for encapsulation, where the precise amount of product is placed in each capsule.
We monitor the controls through the encapsulation process so that each capsule is within the correct measurement of product according to the specification. This leaves no doubt that you get the same amount every time.
All results are documented and reviewed. The 4Life transfer factor capsules are placed in clean containers which have been inspected. The bottles are heat sealed and labeled and sealed with a tamper-resistant seal. A unique lot code is applied to each bottle. This code allows us to trace the product all the way through the manufacturing and distribution process.
We hold all products until distribution so that we can ensure the identity, purity, strength, and composition of every 4Life product.
It's an honor for me to be a part of this truly amazing revolution and to play a role in the advancement of 4Life science. And it's exciting for me to be a part of this exceptional company and to help lead the scientific charge as we continue to develop the very best 4Life products.
4Life transfer factor comes from the family farm to your family.
We will continue to innovate new products and set exemplary standards for all 4Life products.
From the farm to your front door, 4Life provides you with nothing less than the highest quality products.
When you join 4Life, you become part of a company that offers a product and an opportunity that has the potential to change people's lives all over the world.
We own transfer factor, and when you partner with us, so do you.